Hi everyone, welcome to Food Menu channel. Today's my recipe very delicious red jigger curry. Take 500 grams of red jigger, then peel it, wash and cut into small pieces. Take a kadai and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil or ghee. Then add garam masala ingredients, Marathi mungu, and cinnamon, black cardamom, green cardamom and cloves, 1 bay leaves, 1 or 2 bay leaves. Then add 1 or 2 green chili and 1 cup of chopped onion, 1 or 2 tablespoons of curry leaves. Fry all the ingredients. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Stir continuously. Once raw smell goes, then add 1 or 2, depending on size, tomatoes. Tomatoes should be red color. Add that and add salt, 1 teaspoon. Then close and cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Mash tomato. Once softened, now add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmir red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Now salt well. Add red jigger pieces. Mix all the ingredients. Once mixed, pour 1 tumbler of water. If you want to require liquid quantity more, then add more water. Once cooked red jigger, check it with a spoon or finger. If softened red jigger, then add 1 full tablespoon of kasuri methi. Then mix well. I add 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. That much is enough for this quantity of curry. Almost done our curry. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar. It will give little bit sweet taste. Curry will be very tasty. If you not like, you can avoid the sugar. Finally add fresh coriander, 1 teaspoon. You can serve with roti or any jeera rice or any pulao as a side dish. If you like my video or my recipe, please subscribe my channel. Please like, comment and share to your friends and relatives. How is my recipe? Please comment it. Thank you.